Guys, in this video I will show you how to lock your WhatsApp app just like this. So you will receive a verification pin every time you log into your WhatsApp app. You just have to enter it and you will be able to talk with your friends again. So let's show you how to do it. We just have to go to our WhatsApp app. You will not need to install any other third-party apps. You can go to settings, go to account, and then go to two-step verification. And here you have to click enable. And here you have to choose a 6-digit PIN, which will be asked for when you register every time you will want to go to WhatsApp. Here you have to enter your email. And you don't have to confirm it, you just have to write it. And there you have it. Now, if we go out of this app, you will have to enter your PIN that you set up earlier. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, you can go to subscribe to our channel and also like this video, and you can also activate that notification bell to be notified every time we post. We post daily and we post great content. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.